Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the making of chicken madhoud, which is a delicious Arabic rice prepared by using the long grain sella rice. For this recipe, 1 kg chicken is cut into big pieces and cleaned well and kept aside. Whole spices such as a few cinnamon, cardamom, few peppercorns, cloves and a bay leaf are tempered in oil. 3 medium-sized onions are sautéed until translucent, followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 3 medium tomatoes are pureed and this puree is added and allowed to cook for about 8 minutes. Once the tomatoes seem to be done, 2 tablespoons of homemade madhoud masala is added and combined well, followed by 2 taste maker chicken cubes. Next, the cleaned fresh chicken is added and also 1 tablespoon of salt goes in. The chicken is mixed well with the masala for about 5 minutes on high flame. 2 dried lemons are also added and the chicken is cooked for about 20 minutes until it is 90% done. Next, 720 grams of washed and soaked sella rice is added, followed by a finely chopped carrot. Boiling water with a ratio of 1.5 cups for 1 cup of rice is poured into the dish and a capsicum, 2 to 3 whole green chillies are also mixed into it. After adding enough salt, the rice is cooked on high flame for 2 minutes and then for about 10 minutes on simmer. After 10 minutes, the rice is checked whether it is cooked enough or else continue to cook for 2 or few minutes. Thus, the mildly flavored yummy madhoud is ready to be served. Enjoy it with Arabic style tomato chutney or any side dish of your choice. Do try this recipe and have a great lunch for your weekend. I'll meet you again with another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.